Get in, get in, get in. Oh. That dog just came next to my bait bucket and pissed all over it. Sort of pissing me off, these dog walkers. This time of year they tend to go deeper. Took me about 5-6 attempts, and Kawa's he got one too. Got some lovely sized worms here. Yeah, could it gets hard as the temperature drops. The worms go deep as well, so you can take up to like 5, 6, 7 attempts to get the worms out. But we'll carry on. Nice haul on the worms, guys. Some cracking worms here. Some lovely sized worms. Probably about 100, maybe more. Some monsters here. Proper bass bait. Lovely. Right, let's get going. Well, welcome back to another video, guys. As you seen on the title, I'm back out with my mate Kawa on the bass hunt again. Hopefully third time lucky. I'm after that PB, which will be 60 centimeters and above. It will be a PB for me, 5.5 pounds. So back out on the bass hunt. Conditions pretty much perfect. Southerly wind today. I think wind picking up as the day go. Currently 20 to 4, and low, we're fishing near. Low tide is 20 to 10 this evening, so we're just gonna follow the tide out. Fishing 2 rods again. See if I can keep up with the bites. And as it gets dark, I've got a mackerel bait with me as well, so I'm gonna chuck a half a mackerel out in between the waves. See if I can get a big bass with that. Just made a nice running ledger rig. I'll show them later on. Just fishing my usual rigs, one up, one down. As you see on the previous videos, the rigs I've been using recently working very well. Downside the hooks, and that seems to doing the job for me. Anyway, we got some cracking baits with us today. Loads of blow looks. We got about 110 worms between us. That will be more than enough for this session. Yeah, just gonna get baiting up and wade out a bit. It's pretty shallow at the moment. Just get behind these breakers here. Probably about waist deep. You don't have to cast far out. Just overhead thumb. Get about 50-60 yards out, and then bass should be there hopefully. Yeah, I'll show the rigs anyway, my usual rigs. And let's get baiting up and get some bait in the water, guys. Yeah, I've got some cracking worms here today. Some lovely juicy blow looks here, guys. Fantastic bass bait these are. Fish go crazy with these worms. You can catch all sorts. I caught, I don't know, even ray on them. Some you don't. All the flatties, bass, you name it, cod. These will do the job. Free baits, nice fresh, you can't beat it. And rig wise, my usual one up one down rig, using a T-knot there. What it does, just keeps it off the rig body so it doesn't tangle. The top tray is pretty much about a foot long, if that. And hooks, TO, like I would say O'Shaughnessy style, and TO Chinny as a panel. This is a brand new rig I made yesterday. And bottom tray, same again, T-knot. Goes down to 1.5 foot long tray, same hooks. On the other one, same setup really, but this one's got a circle hook on them, 3/0 circle hook and a 2/0. One up, one down. This one's got slightly longer hooks than these here, and 6-ounce grippers, 30 pound straight through amnesia. I should really start using some fluorocarbon hook length on them, because the water's pretty much gin cleared here. So as you can see, it's a gin cleared water here. Yeah, I'm just gonna get baiting up with my baiting needle there, and send them out. Hopefully get their first cast bass again. These baiting needles are godsend, ideal for this sort of fishing, because you tend to like struggle to put a blow look on the hook, and what they do, they just burst most of the time. So this seems to help with the baiting up. Size of this lug here, probably touching 40 centimeters here. Massive. That's another reason why I'm using pennel hooks on the 2 ploppers. It just holds the bait better, and it stays on firm. There we go. Put a bit of tension on there and just slide it up. And it should go down nice and easy. Fantastic bait. Chuck the tail off. And get the pennel hook, circle hook on this one. Give it a couple of turns. There we go. Lovely bait there. What fish could resist this? Lovely bait. Right, I'll carry on baiting these up, guys, and hopefully get a couple of bass out this evening. Woohoo! Fish on first cast. Didn't take long, 5 minutes, and we're into a fish, guys. There it is, first cast. There we go, first keeper of the day, guys. Lovely bass. Looks like it took on the top chase. Let's get it on hook and give you a better shot. Got a nice little hook there. There we have it, guys. First cast bass. Measured 44 centimeters. Yeah, happy days. It didn't take long. Just watching the rod and boom, rod going mental. Yeah, these blow looks, fish really do go crazy for them. They can't resist. Lovely bass. Right, let's get baited up and get out there again. Fish on, guys, on the other rod. I was baiting the other rod after the first cast, which ended up going back. I thought, might as well. We'll definitely catch a bigger one. And lifted my head, the other rod going. Feels decent, this one. Yeah, fighting hard. Hopefully it stays on. Wow, that looks a decent size, that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Cracker. Get in. Get in, get in, get in. Biggest one out of here anyway. Definitely 4 or 5 pound mark. Right, let's get this on hooked and I'll give you a better shot in a minute, guys. There we go, guys, touching 57 centimeters, 3 centimeters shorter than my PB, but plenty of time yet. Lovely chunk. Probably about 4 pound mark, maybe just over. I'll definitely give that one away. There we go, guys. What a chunk! I haven't weighed it yet, but that first bass I've caught, I thought release that. So plenty of time for get a bigger one, and then we did 57 centimeters. Real chunk. I'm gonna give this push bait, quick weigh it, and see what it comes at. Woohoo! Just had another bite then, missed it, literally cut it out, literally put the rod on the tripod. Wow, see if it comes back. Rod's going crazy again. I've literally cast it out, left hand side rod. I'm not sure if it picked the bite or not, but literally put it on the stand and got a bite straight away. See if it comes back.
take that was. That was just good bounce. You seen the rocks?
Eh? I've seen it, yeah, that was good bounce. Wow.
Here in front of you. Check this out, guys. Another decent sized bass. Get in. These rigs are deadly. Nice hook there on the scissors.
That's a huge one again.
There we go. Right, let's go quick measure. Probably 48, 49. There you go, guys, another decent bass out. That's almost touching 52 there. Lovely. Probably just over £3 mark. Fantastic. There you go, guys. Another lovely bass. You've probably seen the bite. I was checking the right hand side rod. That was getting the bite as well. And what a bite, nearly took the rod off the stand. 52 centimeters, probably just over £3 mark. Lovely fish. Get in. Oh, got a slack line here. Another nice bass. Still on? Something there. There we go, another bass, guys. Fourth one. Oh! What a session, guys. Fourth one. Fantastic. And we got a load of time left. Not been here about an hour, maybe not. Down about an hour. Off he goes. Constant action, the constant. That right inside rod keep on getting small rattles. Could well be a green eel. Hopefully not, because last time it wrecked my rig. Give it a couple of minutes and I'll go check that. That's what it was, guys. Smallest bass ever. Well, that's the 5th one. Small, but they all count. Tiny, about 6-7 inch. Off he goes. Yeah, unbelievable here. Just looking at my other rod, baiting the other rod, and the other rod going. Well, let's get another fresh bait out anyway. There we go, number 6. Nice little hook. I'll get it unhooked and send it back. Look at the colour on this. Very pale silver. Load of fish. Perfect conditions. Nice. Lightly hooked. 6-1. Right, get it on it. Get it released there. Open wide. Off he goes. There we go, guys. Bass number 7. Took it pretty deep. It's bleeding a little bit, but I'll get it back anyway. Lovely. Yeah, can't keep with the bites again. I've been fishing one rod last hour, just getting smashed by the scuba bass, small bass, and this was the biggest one so far since. So get this one released and change the battery on the GoPro. That's tight as well, and get organised. Get 2 baits out. That sun going down, so hopefully that big one's come out. Bye to you guys. Yep, fish on. Instant. Only been out in the water about a minute. Another small one, I reckon. Number 7 coming in, guys. There we go. Yeah, it didn't take longer than a minute after casting. And another school of bass, guys. Madness. Oh. There we go, another schooler, guys. Number 8. There we go, number 8, guys. Loads of them right there. Instant bait drops. Putting the rod on the stand. And boom, fish on again. I'm hoping once this sun goes down, the big ones will come out then. Wow. Little torpedoes. I've literally passed it out now. One rod out in the water. See how long it takes to get a bite. While I'm baiting the other rod. There we go, bite guys, bite. Only took 30 seconds. Must be a massive shoal out there. Loads of small bass. As you can see, hammered in the bait. Big mackerel bait going out soon on a running ledger rig. Yeah, circle top and bottom up. Might even get a top on that apparently. There was a local guy talking to him earlier. Some top been coming out around here. So might get a top. That'll be fantastic. These really do send bass crazy this evening, guys. Check this out. Lovely bait. Literally takes a minute to get a bite on these. But I'm after a PB. Oh, that's it. Again. Small one, number 11. There we go, another schooler, guys. Right, let's get a fresh bait out. Mad. As you've seen, I was casting the other rod. And bang. Madness here. one after another. Fish on. Feels better on this. Finally. It's copping well. Lovely size, guys. There we go, number 12. Not a bad size. Probably touching 50. Get it measured and then send it back. Almost touching 53. Second biggest of the day. Lovely fish. There we go. That was the second biggest of the day, guys. 53. Lovely silver bar. Nice. As I mentioned, the sun going down, wave increasing. Those big ones will be on the feed soon. And not a bad size bass, guys. But let's get this one released. Hopefully get a bigger one. I'm off to a PB. Cover's on finally. Hopefully beats a blanca. Big one coming for him. Where are you? Finally. Let's have a look. I've got like 12 bass or 13, can't remember. And then finally got his first. There you go. Oh, look. Well done. Nice fish. Get in.
Nice, finally.
What? Both of them?
Yeah.
Not?
Keep rolling that in.
Yeah?
Yeah. I can't keep up.
Nothing on this, I don't think. Maybe it's a...
After 2 ones.
You got double header?
Yeah. Now we talking.
Bass everywhere. One nice one here. And a double header here. Madness. Send the small ones back here. I think they're all small actually. Oh, this one's the keeper, I think. Yeah. This one's the keeper. These two small. Right, I better get back to my rod. Yeah, definitely bass on the feed now, guys. Well, the bass been on the feed all day, but it seems to increase in numbers. It's time to get a big bait out. Gonna send a big mackerel out now. Change this bait. I mean the rig. And I'll show you guys the setup in a minute. Right, changing the tactic now, guys. Going for bigger fish. Got half a mackerel here. Just a running ledger. Got 2 foot long running ledger rig. Size 5 circle, look, top and bottom. Only thing is it's only a 30-pound amnesia line, but if I get a top on this, hopefully it doesn't bite me off. but aiming for a big bass. So the lights are going every now and again, checking my other rods. Just get a little cut here. My fillet and knife broken. So just little cut here. Dead there, hook in. Like so. Okay, let's try it out. Okay. So I'm going to just wade out and cast as far as I can in between the waves. There must be some, there could be some talk about even husk. There we go. Nice big mackerel bait. That's what I'm gonna do. Just hook it here as I'm casting, and when it hits the water, that will come off, and this will float freely. Hopefully get us a nice bass, or even maybe a trout if you're lucky. There we go, guys. Bass feeding frenzy here, getting them in twos. That's it, totaling 16 bass so far, and 6 for Kawa. What a night, what an evening I should say rather. But yeah, fantastic spot again. Probably give another couple of casts here. Gotta get going. I'm on early shift tomorrow. Long drive back home, so get these released, cast one more time, and check out the big mackerel bait, see what's going on with that. Right, another fantastic session here, guys. Just packing up now, heading off. Very tiring this, bass after bass. And just wading out, casting out, walking back, just takes it out of you. End tally 17 for me, and biggest bass of the year, 57 centimeters, just over 4 pounds, and 7 for Kawa. Yeah, brilliant. 24 bass between us. Not a bad session at all. Definitely the best one to date. Yeah, best bass session to date. So yeah, fantastic. I would like to fish here longer, but gotta get going. I'm on early shift tomorrow, so 5 o'clock get up in the morning, and coming up to 9 o'clock now. 2.5 hours, 3 hours drive back home. Yeah, new rigs been working really well. I've had like about 40 bass in the last 3 sessions. Yeah, fortunately no PB showed up, but that's fishing. We'll keep on it. Hopefully get over 60 centimeter bass out soon. But because it's too far to drive here, it's too much of an effort and cost loads of money on fuel, I might start targeting cod now. There's a few codlings been showing up all around the Mersey, so that will be my next target. But that's what I said on the last video. I might start targeting cod, but end up coming for bass again. But yeah, I was after PB, but that didn't work out. But there's always next time. hope you enjoyed it, guys, and maybe picked up a couple of tips and hints. Yeah, if you enjoyed the channel, guys, please hit that like button. It goes really long way, helps the channel out. And if you're new to the channel, maybe consider subscribing. Looking at the stats, more than 65% of the viewers not subscribed to the channel. And I've spoken to some of the guys who are watching the channel, they're not even subscribed, or they forgot to hit that subscribe button. But yeah, must be slowest growing channel on YouTube. But yeah, if you enjoy the channel, obviously hit that subscribe button. Really helps it out, helps the channel out. And I'll see you on the next episode, guys. Thanks for watching.